Hey everybody, today is September 17th. I'm just sitting in my garage here, but I got my new Champion 2000 inverter generators today. Well, I got one today, and I got this other one yesterday from UPS delivery. Let's see here. They actually look pretty sharp. Pretty sharp looking generators. New version. So I'm going to put them on the counter, put some oil in them, fuel them up, fire them up. I got the parallel kit with them. So I'm going to see how good they are on my trailer, see what happens here. So I will get back to you shortly.